Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best window seal is probably one of the most important accessories for your portable air conditioner, significantly impacting its cooling performance and energy efficiency. A poorly sealed window allows hot air to recirculate, rendering your air conditioner less effective and driving up your energy bills. In this video, we will explore what makes a great window seal, helping you choose the perfect one to maximize your portable AC's potential and keep your home cool and comfortable. Number 5. HOOMEE 300 cm Window Seal. Say goodbye to wasted cool air. This innovative seal creates an airtight fit around your portable AC hose, maximizing cooling efficiency and saving you money. It's incredibly easy to install. Simply attach the adhesive tape to your window, open the zip, insert your hose, and zip it closed. That's all there is to it. It perfectly seals the gap between your window and the AC hose, preventing warm air from entering and cold air from escaping. By preventing air leaks, it helps your air conditioner run more efficiently, saving you energy and money on your electricity bill. Everything you need is included: the seal, adhesive tape, and clear instructions. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's designed to be durable and long-lasting, providing reliable performance season after season. It's also suitable for use with portable tumble dryers. With its generous length, it fits most standard windows. No more struggling with ill-fitting seals. What we like. It boasts an impressive length, perfect for most standard windows. Installation is a breeze, everything you need is included. If you need a simple, effective solution that's ready to go right out of the box, this is it. What people say. Installation was seamless and easy to understand. The kit comes with self-adhesive Velcro strips to attach the panels to. This made the installation incredibly easy to adjust to the needs of my window, as I could cut and bend the Velcro strip accordingly. Works great on our windows that crank outward. For sure was a game changer for the cooling ability of our portable AC unit. Very pleased with the quality and durability of this product. As a renter, I needed something that would not involve drills and affixing plexiglass to windows, so this was my best option. As a whole, the window kit absolutely serves its purpose. Number 4. 400 cm Portable AC Window Seal Kit. Is your portable AC struggling to keep up? This window seal kit prevents air leaks, making it far more efficient and saving you money on energy bills. Enjoy a cooler home and lower energy costs. It's better than older window vent kits. This reusable and eco-friendly seal is easy to install and fits many window types. No tools needed. Installation is a breeze. Just stick it on, secure it, and you're done. It won't damage your window, and it's easily removable for reuse or cleaning. It works with most windows and both single and dual hose air conditioners. However, please check that your window perimeter is under 400 cm, 157 inches, before purchasing. Made from durable, thickened material, it's designed to last for over 3 years. The zippers provide a secure seal, keeping out irritants and rain. Plus, it's easy to clean. What we like. This significantly boosts your air conditioner's efficiency, saving you money on energy bills. It's also reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. If maximizing energy savings and reducing your environmental impact are priorities, this is the one for you. What people say. Had a portable AC unit but a crank-style window. This was easy to put in. Stuck to my window perfectly. Have had no leaks and seems to be holding up well and functioning exactly as expected. The provided instructions are a little cryptic, but it came with more than enough of the Velcro tape to mount to our very long window. This is by far the easiest solution. This worked perfectly for my house with tall crank-out windows. Easy to install, plenty big enough, could have easily fit a larger window too, and plenty of Velcro so if I made a mistake I had extra to use. Number 3. Gruntbear Portable AC Window Seal Kit. It's installed between your window and frame, creating a seal around your AC hose. This effectively pushes hot air out and keeps the cool air in, making your room stay cool longer. Made of durable nylon, it blocks hot air from entering. This helps your AC cool your room faster, improves its efficiency, and saves you money on your energy bill. Its waterproof nylon material means it can be used even on rainy days. Stay cool and comfortable all summer long, rain or shine. No tools are needed. Just tape it to your window frame and window, route the hose, zip it up, and secure it. You can even open and close your window without removing it. At 400 centimeters, it fits windows up to 157 inches around. It works with many window types, including casement, awning, and skylights that open left or right. Check for compatibility with your window type. What we like. Made from tough nylon, it's built to last and withstand even rainy weather. Installation is quick and tool-free. If you're looking for a long-lasting, weatherproof seal that's easy to put up, this is a great option. What people say. Works great for keeping my apartment cool and is good quality for the price. I've used this on multiple windows and never have an issue with it leaking in adverse weather, and it stays in place. Easy to install. It seems pretty secure once I got it on. The included zip ties to secure the vent were too short and my AC vent doesn't seem overly large. Luckily they included 2 zip ties, so I eventually got it to work. So far so good in performance. Once in place the system worked great though. Our windows open outward, so the easiest setup had the zipper handles on the outside, which is not a problem for us because we can easily walk to the outside of our windows, but might be harder for someone on an upper floor. Number 2. Airlock Window Seal. Introducing Airlock, the revolutionary window seal designed for portable air conditioners. It's the perfect solution to keep your cool air inside and the hot air outside, making your home more comfortable. It's easy to install and fits most portable AC units. Simply place it around your window frame to create an airtight seal. This ingenious design prevents warm air from entering your space, ensuring your portable AC works at peak efficiency. Enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. No more wasted energy. It creates a barrier against hot outside air, keeping your home cool and saving you money on your energy bills. It's designed to work perfectly with sliding windows, providing a secure and effective seal. Enjoy the benefits of cool air without the hassle. It's flexible and can be adjusted to fit most portable air conditioners. With a maximum size of 14 by 36 inches, it's perfect for various window sizes. Installation is a breeze. Simply follow the easy instructions and you'll be enjoying a cooler home in minutes. What we like. Its flexible design makes it adaptable to various window sizes and shapes. It effectively keeps cool air in and hot air out. If you need a versatile solution that works with your existing portable air conditioner, this is a good choice. What people say. These were so easy to install and really work so well, no air getting in and air from unit being directed out. I also can quickly take air hose out of window if it's raining too hard and reinstall in seconds when needed. Window is not damaged in any way and can always get more Velcro tape if needed, but since I have installed them I have had no problem with them coming loose at all. I am really pleased with the product and the whole experience of buying from this seller. It worked with no issues and better than I would have ever expected. I've noticed a massive difference in the time it takes to cool the house down and would highly recommend this product to everyone, especially those struggling with the summer heat like us. Number 1. Dstorelhp Window Seal Tape. This innovative tape provides excellent airtight and watertight insulation, improving energy efficiency year-round. It's perfect for sealing drafty windows and keeping your home comfortable. Made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it withstands extreme temperatures and UV exposure. This means it's a reliable solution for long-term weather sealing. It's ideal for anyone, regardless of experience. Use it to seal against dust, warm or cold air, or even as a general-purpose tape around the home. This tape removes cleanly, leaving your windows and surfaces residue-free. Enjoy a draft-free environment without the mess. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll promptly resolve them. Your satisfaction is our priority. Order your roll of Dstorelhp Window Seal Tape now and experience the difference. It's the perfect solution for a comfortable and energy-efficient home. What we like. This offers a generous length for extensive sealing needs. It removes cleanly without leaving any sticky residue. If you need a versatile, long-lasting tape for multiple sealing applications, this is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to install. Good quality. Fits my windows great. Excellent quality. I placed it on the windows. You can automatically feel the difference with the draft. I made a DIY cat door in my window and this tape was the perfect weather sealer. No more breeze coming in through the sides. As long as you clean the area, the stick is really strong. It has moved once yet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.